It is I, Concrete Catwalk. Thank you for checking in with me this Sunday. Today's video is gonna be a little bit different. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. I am a reseller that has a closet on Poshmark. For those of you who are returning, my catwalkers, this is a video that I talked about a couple times, and it is something that I have been waiting on for a little bit. So this is going to be an unboxing. Let me preface this first with saying, if you are new here, I typically do not do that many unboxings on my channel. I am a big lover of pre-owned luxury. My unboxing video probably now about 4 months ago. Time to time go out and I look for certain things. I consider myself a collector of certain pieces, and before we go down that road any further, let me preamble this. I am not on here to brag. I am not on here to do any of that. I just want to share with you the love of the things that I pick up, and I want to share my excitement of it with you guys. Some people like unboxings, some people don't. That's fine, you have the option to click off. Before we get into this is it. I prefer my bags to be weathered. I prefer my bags to have a little bit of broken in there by someone else before I get it. Some people are not fans of that. Some people like it brand spanking new, they're the original owner, and I respect. For myself, my bags have to have character. I'm not a person who can baby a bag. I'm not a person being afraid of carrying a bag because it's so new. I'm not that girl. I never will be that girl. When I go and I look for things, I prefer them to be in reasonably good condition. Sometimes they're not. I've gotten bags where they have been through the mills, but that's the look that I sometimes go for. I want it to look like it is a part of me, and it is not a situation where I have to break it in to do that. Just kind of speed this up. I'm a real big lover of Chanel. However, I am not a fan of the price increases, and you guys are all aware of that. If you go into that luxury world, if you're into that, you know, whether it's Chanel, whether it's Vuitton, whether it's Dior, that they've all gone through significant price increases within the last 6 months. I am very much into searching the pre-loved market to select things to add to my collection. My Chanel collection is a small one. I am very careful about what I select to add to it. The resale market for Chanel is slowly skyrocketing, and the demand for specific types of bags, it goes up. It feels like to me that the next big charge is going to be the grand shopping tote. The grand shopper tote from back in the day is not being offered, and it is on the pre-loved market, but it is escalating. If you have your eyes out for something and you see it and you have the ability to do it, to make that investment, I would strongly say that you do. You get more bang for your buck in the pre-loved market. You get the ability to be selective about what it is that you're looking for and find something that specifically fits your needs. For myself, I have been looking for this particular item, but when I saw it, I decided to go ahead and get it. First and foremost, this is the box that it came in. I'm gonna get into this. This is the packing slip. This was shipped via express delivery. To take off the shipping information, I'm going to put that to the side, and I promise I'm not going to cut my. So this is the packing information. So this item was purchased at the end of August, and it is just now arriving. This is a pre-loved Chanel piece. The purchase information that is here. Hey, thank me for my purchase. If there's any issue with your item, please do not hesitate to let us know. This item was purchased from overseas, so this was the DHL express shipment. The item had a customs imports and taxes, which thankfully was included in the cost of the item. Show how they manage all the security and the authentication. Packing paper. Put this down here. This bag did not come with a dust bag, and I am not upset about that. What I ended up getting was the patent leather Chanel Grand Shopper tote. I do this on a 3, 2, 1, and you guys are going to see it when I see it. So here we go, you guys. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is what I got. Look at the beauty of this. Oh my God. She is beautiful. Absolutely stunning. She has some wear on the front of her CCs. There is no wear on the handles whatsoever. There's wear, if you can see on the underneath where the 4 feet are. On the sides, there's also a little bit of wear, but those are things that I don't mind. They're not a make or break for me. I'm looking for something that's a classic, but I'm also looking for something that is more reasonable and in my price point. This bag is from the 90s. I was specifically on the hunt for this bag. And there is an authenticity ticket that's attached, meaning their marking for the bag. Let me pull out all of her stuff from in here. She has the inner pocket. Let me open it up so you guys can see. Her halogen sticker is in here, but it is a little worn. So yeah, it's here. Let me show you. It's a little worn. It's on the lower inside portion of the bag. It's right here. You can see, I don't know if you can see it, but it is on the inside of the bag. And then on this side of the bag is the Chanel marking. And if you cannot see this, I apologize to you for that. She's got an interior zipper pocket with CCs. And this is the short-handled version, which is exactly what I was looking for. I did not want something up on the shoulder. I wanted something where I could just hold it in the crook of my arm or hold it in my hands. This is something that I feel is a necessity for collection. I wanted something like this, and I think this is absolutely stunning. I'm just gonna throw it on my arm so you can get the point of how this looks. Perfect to reach in, grab your stuff, and go. The protective feet on the bottom is something that I was paying attention to too, because I saw some of these did not have protective feet at the bottom. Not that I sit my bags on the floor, I don't, but if I sit it on a chair, if I sit it on a table, I don't want the bottom of the bag to touch. So this bag measures 13 inches across, and she is 0.5 inches in height, and the strap drop on this is 5 inches. Look at the hardware is gold. If you're a fan of the rich gold handles, pre-loved Chanel bags are the way to go. She is the perfect size. I did not want a bag that was gonna overpower me, especially in a tote. I am 5 feet 5 inches tall. I think this bag is enough to do what I want to do with it. You guys, this is her. And this is what I was looking for to add to my small but growing pre-loved vintage Chanel collection. Let me put her here and give you the 411 about the cost. I have been looking high and low for something like this. Everything that I was looking at that had feet or didn't have feet was going upwards of about $2,100, $1,800, and then I saw one for $1,400. But the condition was, this is in what I would consider pretty good condition, but some of the others that I saw were just not where I wanted them to be, and then especially if they didn't have feet, that was a deal breaker for me. I saw this and I was like, pull the trigger, because if you sleep on this, it is going to disappear. So I decided, all right, let me go ahead and purchase this. I always take my time when I'm trying to make a decision about something like this. It's not something that you do every day, and it's not something where you want to tread lightly and throw your money out in the universe and then you get it and you don't like it. I personally choose to do my research first to make sure that this is the type of bag that I want to add to my collection and then go from there. The cost of this, with everything including the DHL, brought the bag up to $1,050. That was the cost of this. And this was just shopping around and seeing different types. Let me put this here. Thank you for sharing in this unboxing with me. And if you see bags out there, Chanel bags that are pre-loved, and you're interested in purchasing it, just do your homework. Take your time when you make your selection, and I think you'd be more than happy. And not only that, in the long run, it can potentially not only save you money, but gain you money when you decide to sell it, if you decide to sell it later on. So you guys, thank you so much for sharing in this unboxing with me. I am in love with this, and I am so thankful that I was able to score this piece. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you don't want to miss any videos that I post, tap the bell for notifications. And know this, that every Sunday there will be something posted from me. I have a closet on Poshmark. You can go over there and check out the things that I have in it. I am Concrete Catwalk on Poshmark. Please also too, feel free to follow me on Instagram. I am the Catwalks Concrete on IG. Anything you want to see or anything you have questions about, please just ask. Thank you so much. Stay well, do well, be well, and I will see you next Sunday. Bye for now.